Dear brothers and sisters, I have not achieved it, but I focus on one thing, forgetting the past and looking forward to what lies ahead. Yan po dapat ang meron tayo. Kalimutan mo na yung nakaraan mo. Ano yung nakaraan? Kalimutan yung nakaraan mong pain, yung nakaraan mong success, yung nakaraan mong problema. Ano sabi? I focus on one thing. Sabi mo one thing. Ano yung kailangan na pagfokusan? Kalimutan mo daw yung nakaraan. At i-focus mo what lies ahead. Si Jesus, kinalimutan lahat ng sakit. Kinalimutan lahat ng karangyaan na meron siya sa langit. Kasi He was living and looking forward for the future with you. Amen? Ano sabi dito? I press on to reach the end of the race and receive the heavenly prize for which God, through Jesus Christ, is calling us. There is a calling for us. There is a calling for you and me. Our calling is to worship and to serve God. Di ba nasabi doon? Even before I formed you, and when you were born, I have appointed you as prophets to this nation. Yun ang prize natin. If you focus on looking forward, being a prophet to the nations, na maligtas natin ang maraming tao, mapaglingkuran natin ang Diyos, ano sabi doon? May prize. And that prize is what? Yung kamatayan ni Jesus Christ ay magkaroon tayo ng buhay na walang hanggan. Masarap pa rin po na magsasabi pag uwi natin sa langit sa ating Ama, well done. Galing mo. Hindi ka sumuko. Ano mang hirap, hindi ka sumuko.